Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Max, why do you look so confused? You are staring at that paper very hard.
Oh, hello, Lily. I have a big problem. I am looking at this receipt from the supermarket, but I don't understand the numbers. It says I bought 15 apples, but I only wanted 5. And the price says $50, but I thought it was $15.
Oh, Max, it sounds like you are mixing up your numbers. Don't worry. Today we are talking about something we use every single day: numbers.
That is a great idea. I really need to learn the difference between 15 and 50 so I don't buy too many apples or spend too much money again.
Exactly. Numbers are everywhere. We use them for time, for money, for phone numbers, for ages, and for counting our favorite snacks.
Let's start with the basics for our friends at home. Can you count from 1 to 10?
Of course. Let's count together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great! I know those well. But after 10, it gets a little more difficult. Let's look at 11 to 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So my receipt says 15. I see the teen at the end. That means 10 plus 5.
Yes. Notice that many of these numbers end in teen. We call people between 1, 3, and 19 teenagers because their age ends in that sound.
Oh, I see. So, what happens after 20?
After 20, we follow a simple pattern. We say the tens number and then the units number. For example, 21, 22, 23.
And the tens are 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Exactly. Max, be careful with the pronunciation. This is your main problem. 13. 13 sounds a bit like 30, 30, but the stress is different. In 13, the teen is long. In 30, the tie is short.
That is very important to remember. 15 is small, 50 is big. Lily, what comes after 99?
After 99, we have 100, 100. And after 999, we have 1,000, 1,000.
Wow, those are big numbers. Let's practice using numbers in real life. For example, how old are you, Lily?
I am 25 years old. And you, Max?
I am 28. We also use numbers for our phone numbers. But in English, when we say a phone number, we say each digit one by one.
That's true. My phone number starts with 00. Sometimes people say "oh" instead of 0 when they speak quickly.
Let's talk about money. How much does a coffee cost in your city, Lily?
A coffee is about $3.50. $3.50. We use numbers to check the price of everything at the shop.
I went shopping yesterday and I bought those apples. They were $5 in total.
Numbers are also important for the time. What time is it now, Max?
It is 10:15 in the morning, 10 o'clock and 15 minutes.
We also have ordinal numbers. These are for the order of things, like dates or positions in a race. They are a bit different.
Oh, like first, second, and third?
Yes, and fourth, fifth, and so on. We usually add "tithe" to the end. Today is the 22nd of January.
I finished second in a running race last week. I was very happy because there were 50 people in the race.
Congratulations, Max. Let's practice a few more big numbers for our friends. How do you say 550?
That is 550. And 1,200?
You can say 1,200, or sometimes people say 1,200.
Numbers are like a game. Once you know the pattern of tens and teens, it is very easy.
I agree. Let's review the most important points for our friends at home. 1119. These end in teen, 14, 15, 20, 30, 40. These end in tie, 40, 50. Dates. We use ordinal numbers like first or 10th. Phone numbers. Say each number individually. 5550123.
Friends, let's test your English. What is your lucky number?
And how many people are in your family? Tell us using numbers in the comments.
For example, my lucky number is 7 and I have 4 people in my family.
If you liked our lesson about numbers today, please like the video and share it with your classmates.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English with Lily and Max. We want to help you count your way to success.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us. You are doing a wonderful job.
I am going to the store now. I need to buy 12 eggs. I will check the receipt very carefully this time to make sure it doesn't say 20.
Good idea, Max. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.